Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Let's start. First, create a new document. Create a new body. Create new sketch. We first need create this revolution sketch. So we select exercise-82. Create a line. Constitute a tangent. Create a line. Consider coincident. Consider the tangent. Two-point constitute horizontal. Make dimension 9 mm. 12 mm. Sorry. Delete 12. Radio 11.5. 6 mm. 11. 26. Oh, sorry. 20. 30. 27. Okay, the sketch is fully constituted. We leave the sketch. Then we select revolution. Z. Okay. Next, we need to create the so-called future radio 1 mm and 28 mm. 32. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. Then create a circle. Diamond. We need to create a point. This point onto a line. View sketch. Next, we need make dimension. So undo. diameter 2 millimeter, radius 2 millimeter, 3, 26, we see it. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe. Select 2 dimensions. The length 11. Second length -6. Okay. Next, we need to select pad. Polar partner. This. We see 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Next we transfer this edge. 0.4. Okay, we finished the part of prints. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.